use a 6mm first, which is macro focus. I'm going to target the fat layers and then I'm going to go more superficial with the 4.5. How's that feel? Okay? Could you feel that?
Just a little bit.
Yeah? You okay?
Yeah.
So the body hand pieces, the cartridges are a lot larger than the facial ones. I'm going to crisscross it now and go the opposite way. So you always want 2 passes with each cartridge. I am only doing the lower stomach because the top half needs different size cartridges. So you can completely tailor it to each patient you've got. We're now going to move to a 4.5, so it's a little bit more superficial than the 6. And this is to help with skin tightening. Okay, back.
Really sweet.
For the top half of the stomach, we are going to predominantly use the skin tightening cartridges. We're going to use a 4.5, a 3 and a 1.5. Making sure it is very closely together, only a 5% overlap, ensuring you're covering the whole area. Keep the skin nice and taut. You want to do 2 passes of the 4.5 and then we're going to move on to a 3 and do the same. Okay, so now we're going to use a 3mm, which is micro focused and it's more superficial. You ready, Beth?
Yeah.
Sometimes the patient can feel a little bit more on the stomach area as it's superficial and the nerves are more superficial. Okay, can you feel that a bit more?